In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to undo in Figma. Undo is your safety net while designing, and knowing how to use it quickly will save you time and stress. Anytime you resize something a bit too far, move a layer by accident, or tweak a color you didn't mean to change, undo lets you step back instantly and keep your flow going. Here's exactly what to do. On your keyboard, press Ctrl and Z together. Hold the Control key, then tap the Z key once. That single press reverts your most recent change, whether it was a move, a resize, a text edit, or a property adjustment. You'll see the canvas update right away. Objects snap back, text reverts, and styles return to their previous state so you can keep working confidently. If you're using a keyboard where the Command key replaces Control, use that instead with Z. The idea is the same, a quick, universal shortcut that backs you up one step. If you need to go back further, press the shortcut again. Each press walks you back one action at a time through your recent history. You can tap in a steady rhythm to travel back quickly, or pause between presses to watch each change revert so you don't overshoot. Figma processes these undos in order, so you always know exactly what you're rolling back. A few tips to make this feel seamless. First, make sure the Figma window is active before you press the keys. If another app has focus, your system may try to undo something else, like text in a different window. Second, confirm you have the correct keys for your keyboard and operating system. Some layouts label the modifier key differently, but that the hand motion is the same. Modifier key plus Z. Third, be mindful that in collaborative files, undo targets the actions you performed, not what your teammates did, which helps keep everyone's work stable while you make quick corrections. You'll find that building the habit of pressing Ctrl plus Z as soon as something feels off keeps your momentum going. It's faster than hunting for fixes, and it encourages you to experiment more freely because there's always a quick way back. So the takeaway is simple. When you want to reverse your last change in Figma, press Ctrl and Z. Tap it again to step back further, and watch the canvas guide you to exactly where you want to be. Keep this shortcut at your fingertips, and you'll design with more confidence and speed.